go through the dimensions. To post होती हैं. For example, for Instagram, we have two kind of dimensions. We have 1080 into 1080 for a post and 1080 into 1380 for a portrait story. So ये dimensions, I'll share all these dimensions, सारी platform, social media की dimensions, I'll share it with you guys after the session ends. Then we're gonna move over to the basic tools, the basic image adjustments that you can do. Spot removal, a very, very important, a very famous thing about Photoshop is spot removal, right? Then you can just like dark circles and pimples को निकालना, कील मुहासे छाइयों को निकालना from a picture. For all of us, that's a very famous thing in Photoshop. Converting Photoshop file to PNG and JPEG. And finally, how can we get stock images and fonts free of cost? All right. So now we're gonna dive in. All right. I hope everybody can see my screen. Sarosh, can you turn off the mic? Perfect, perfect. So when we talk about Photoshop, the link मैंने आप लोगों को भेजा है, that is Photoshop 2020. So you can have the latest software installed. Okay. Can everybody else hear my voice? Perfect, perfect, perfect. For those of you who have problems with my voice breaking or my voice not coming, it must be a connection issue, I feel. But we're gonna move on, and we're recording the session, so I'll also send it to you guys as well. So when we open Photoshop, we're gonna see a screen like this. So I'm gonna start with the very basic thing. We're gonna see this file over here, and we're gonna open an image. So जो मैंने practice files आप लोगों को भेजी हैं, these are all the files that you can find in the practice files वाला folder. Let's say we open this one. All right. So now the picture is loaded basically. This whole section is the toolbar. So you can see all the tools here. We will get this is the bar where you can like find file, edit, image, adjustments, layers. So I want to define the concept of layering for a bit. What you see here is a layer, right? And here's another layer. So and here's another layer. Basically क्या होता है कि whenever you're doing something on Photoshop, let's say I select this brush tool, and what I do is I just do this. Or let's say I'll take a more simpler example. So if I select any text and I make a text upon it, और मैं उस पर कुछ भी लिखता हूँ, let's say so anything that I do on the pictures, make layers create कर रहा होता हूँ. So this is background, this is background copy, this is background copy. फिर मैं adjustments में जाता हूँ. When I'm gonna adjust the brightness, I can adjust the brightness of the photo. I can adjust the levels. I can adjust the color. So for example, मैं इसका contrast change कर देता हूँ. I make this image. अब मैं layers में वापस आता हूँ, तो I have another layer on top of it. और फिर मैं उस पर कोई और adjustment करता हूँ अपनी picture पे. Let's say मैं उसके curve change कर देता हूँ. So whatever I'm doing on Photoshop, I'm basically working on layers. और मैं इन layers को reverse भी कर सकता हूँ. And that is the beauty. Like I can come back to my original image. So layers का मतलब ये होता है कि whenever you're working on the picture, you have ease of access, and you can always come back and you can always reverse all of your actions. This is basically how layers work. Now I'm gonna start from all over again. I'm gonna delete all layers. All right. So first of all, we see this is the move tool. This is the marquee tool, lasso tool. We have the quick selection tool. And let's take an example. When we talk about, creating magic in Photoshop, this is what I'm using right now is the quick selection tool. What I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna select this singular build. All right. I'm gonna double tap it. I'm gonna create layer via copy. So I've made another layer, and what I've basically done is I have just added another build over here. और मैं इसको duplicate कर लूंगा, and I'm gonna make another one. And as you can see, anybody who sees this picture will never ever know if this is some sort of editing. It's gonna look like a real picture, and that is the beauty of Photoshop because अब मैं ये सारे builds delete भी कर सकता हूँ. I can add them up. I can change their I can flip them up into horizontal and vertical planes. So there's a lot that he can do. And अगर कोई और भी देखेगा तो he or she can never really tell you it's a fake image or it's edited in Photoshop. So this is the quick selection tool. Let's move on to another thing. So let's say we have this image right here, and we want to, create a post for, whatever, we want to create a post for a blog, we want to create a poster for, our company, anything. So, and we have a picture like this. This is a stock image that, we got from Google. And now what we're going to do is, I want to add some text on this picture. But I just don't like this tool right here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select the brush tool. यहाँ से जाके I'm gonna use the eyedropper tool. Gonna use this color as the background. Background वाला color choose करके, what I'm gonna do is simply I'm gonna paste all over it. After that, now it depends. अब ये AI होती है, Photoshop has this artificial intelligence और ये Photoshop 2020 में it's way better. What I just did is कि मैंने paint brush apply करके I just want to remove all of this thing और ऐसे लगे कि पता भी ना चले कि there this tool was there in the first place. अब since it's AI, तो it does its mistakes कहीं कहीं पे, but it always comes with practice. Photoshop is always all about practice. आप जितनी ज़्यादा practice करोगे, the more you're gonna learn. So just like that, I've still removed here, but I can still see there's a lot of stuff. A little bit better. तो इसको बार बार यूज करके हम कैन रिमूव ऑल ऑफ इट और फिर इस तरह की इमेज बन जाएगी जहां पे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि द टूल वाज देयर इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. So just like that, let's move on to the next step. What we're gonna do next? I'm gonna select the um, necessary to use black. No, no, no. What I just did was this is the healing brush tool. मैंने इस healing tool use किया है. ये बस show इस तरह हो रहा है कि it's showing black. What it's doing is basically कि जो background के साथ जो इसके आसपास जो चीजें थी ना वो वाला texture लेके आ रहा है. Just as you can see, it's not black. तो विद प्रैक्टिस एंड छोटा छोटा करके आई एम गोना रिमूव ऑल ऑफ इट और वो फिर इस तरह से लगेगा जस्ट लाइक दिस मिडिल पार्ट. यहाँ पे नहीं पता चल रहा कि देयर वाज समथिंग इन बिटवीन. देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ शैडो हियर, देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डार्क हियर और वो भी रिमूव हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट. Yeah, exactly. So let's say we want to write some quote on top of it. Can anybody tell me a beautiful quote that we can just like write it down? So I'm using the eyedropper tool again. चाहता हूँ कि जो मेरा टेक्स्ट उसका कलर भी लीफ वो वाला कलर हो, ग्रीन कलर. Green is life. All right, let's go with that. So now we have something like this. But Photoshop, all about practice, but it's also about aesthetics. I really want to create a poster, which looks very eye pleasing, which looks really brilliant, and whenever somebody sees it, it catches all the attention. Now this is a good enough poster if you want to say, but if I want to really make it eye pleasing, if I want to really make it eye candy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play around with it. And how I can do that basically, अब ये टेक्स्ट वाली मेरी लेयर है. I'm gonna go ahead back again. This is अब विंडो में जाके I'm gonna open the character. Character is basically जहाँ पे you can change the fonts, you can change the font size, anything about fonts. And what I'm gonna basically do is कि I want to make it more eye pleasing. What I just did was I'm selected all the words and I'm slowly changing those. Let's make it 250. Just like that, we have something like this. Looks better. इसको और भी change कर सकते हैं. We can change even the colors. Um, let's say I want to change the color of life. I'm gonna make it blue. So we have something like this. And on top of it, I want to add a logo. I want to add the logo of my company or my brand, my blog, whatever it is that I do. So uske liye, so when people see this poster, they see where it's coming from. What it represents basically. So I'm just gonna go to the file tab. I'm gonna open, and I can also open it, and I can also open it as smart object. Basically, smart object ये होता है कि here I go, here I choose the logo. और smart object में आपके पास ऑलरेडी लोडेड होता है द फाइल द लोगो द पिक्चर इज ऑलरेडी लोडेड अगेन दैट्स लाइक उसको पकड़ के आप लेके जा सकते हो अपनी इमेज पे सो दिस इज ऑलरेडी लोडेड व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम जस्ट गोना पिक इट अप एंड आई एम गोना पेस्ट इट हियर नाउ दिस इज माय लोगो अब एडिट में जाके आई एम गोना ट्रांसफॉर्म इट so I'm going to make it very small itna ki it's visible and it's also something it's not too big it's not too less it's the right size the right aesthetics and just like that I've pasted the logo and now it looks way better. I can do a lot of stuff. For example, let's say I want to make it more aesthetic, and this is again this is all about practice, right? I make it 150 and then what I do basically is I go back to my layers, I duplicate it, and what I do is I select the brush tool. This is like a whole group of brushes that I can use, various kinds, and there are a lot of brushes that you can also download from Google. So let's say I wanna do something like this. Let's select this. Iska color may I wanna have the same color, just to make it more eye pleasing. This is what I'm gonna do. और इसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगा? I'm gonna go back to this layer. I'm gonna create a clipping mask. Now it looks very good. The green. It's look a little bit of fashionable. थोड़ा सा aesthetic लग रहा है. You can play around with it. Again, it's all about practice. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, I had no functional knowledge of Photoshop. What I basically did was मैं जाके tutorial सीखता था, and I was slowly and slowly and slowly I learned and learned and learned throughout practice. So that is how you get do it. Now this is a good enough poster. Like अगर हम पीछे जाते हैं, this is the history part. What I can do is um this was the first poster that we created. And अगर हम ये वाला देखें, we go all the way. What looks good? Obviously, this is something that looks better, and we can make it even more better. We can like add logos. We can add a lot of shapes into it. We can change the font. We can add more things, stuff like that. And I'll give you an example. All right. So this is another picture that if you download pictures from Google, you can see pictures like this, and you have a picture and you want to remove the background out of it. So वो कैसे करेंगे? So, for that we have the quick selection tool. Quick selection tool, what we do is basically we go over what we have. What if we have to make a logo on the spot? Acha. So the thing about logo making is just a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna select this first. All right. So when we talk about logo making में Photoshop is a brilliant tool, but Photoshop is mostly used to make 2D logos. For essential for a really good logo, you have to use Illustrator exactly. Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator is another software that you can make 3D logos. You can do a lot of stuff with logos. So basically, in the market, logo making is essentially done through Illustrator, but you can make logos through Photoshop. But those logos would be 2D, and we can practice a bit after this session. So let's come back to this. We have made the selection. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make layer via copy. So we have another layer here. अब ये पिछली वाली जो layer थी, I'm gonna erase it down. Now I just have this person. The background is erased. और अगर मैंने इसको अब सेव करना है ना, so that अगर मैं इसको सेव करता हूँ and this file इसको मैं कहीं भी भेजता हूँ, तो I need to save it in PNG format. जो PNG फॉर्मेट होती है दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर थिंग्स लाइक दिस, इसमें जो बैकग्राउंड है ना वो नहीं आएगा, बट इफ यू सेव इट एज अ JPEG, इसमें पीछे व्हाइट बैकग्राउंड दोबारा से आएगा. So this is how you can remove the background by using the quick selection tool. It's very easy. Again, it comes with practice. Um, and you can do another thing as well. मैं इसको यहाँ से खत्म कर दूं. For example, मैंने लेयर भी कॉपी की थी, मैं लेयर भी कट करता और फिर मैं लेयर इसको मिटा देता, तो I can like move the whole man outside the picture. मैं ये भी कर सकता था. Next up, we move on to this. So this is a very interesting picture. This is a very interesting tool that we can use, and that is the healing brush tool. अब healing brush tool select करके I'm gonna tap on Alt. I'm gonna select my range. This is my range. All right. And what I'm gonna do is so now I have a picture जहाँ पे I have like three females running और इसमें अब इसमें थोड़ा बहुत ना if you look very very closely, तो तब जाके आपको पता चलेगा कि यार there's something wrong, there's something fishy. और उसको भी you can remove that with the spot healing brush tool. इस spot healing brush tool को मैं यूज करके with practice मैं इसको बिल्कुल ब्रिक वॉल बिल्कुल सेम कर दूंगा एंड देन पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि हाउ डिड दैट हैपन. और व्हाट आई कैन डू इज मैं जो मैंने क्लोन स्टेम ये हीलिंग ब्रश टूल यूज किया है, I can place the female over here. I can also place it back here. I can place it over here, anywhere I want to. So this is something that you can do with the healing brush too. All right. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask Sasa. Another basic that I want to tell you is again the most famous thing of Photoshop, which has been there for like centuries, and that is the spot removal. What people do is basically they have their pictures or they want to remove dark circles, dane, people, scale marks, etc. सब कुछ remove करने के लिए Photoshop is a very big tool. You don't need Fair and Lovely, you don't need all those stuff. You can have Photoshop. So उसके लिए what you can do is, all right. So basically, the purpose of layering is if whenever you're working in Photoshop now, just like this layer panel, let me go back. Acha, so about layering, what you can do is you can see these layers, right? Layering में ये होता है कि when you're working and you've started from step 1 and you went to step 70, but you felt like step 50 जो था बीच में, that was not good enough. Yeah, I could have made it better. I could have made it an adjustment. मैं उसकी brightness से contrast कम कर देता. मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा whatever it is that you want to do, feel like कि वो सही नहीं हो सका, तो you can always go back from step 70 to step 50 and reverse it and change it. How can you do that? अभी layer panels है ना, so layer panel में ऐसे ही कि powered by Isaac वाला logo मुझे नहीं चाहिए था, मैंने I started with this. तो मैंने पहले Isaac logo लगाया, फिर मैंने टेक्स्ट ऊपर टाइप किया. अब मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया. Now I want कि मैं logo हटा दूं, so I can just go to my layers and I can just like remove it off, or I can simply delete my layer. So this is the concept of layering. This is how you work in layers in Photoshop. So it's very easy. And if you save this whole file as a Photoshop file, so your layers will save right. So whenever you want to work, come back to it again, and you want to change something. For example, मैं चाहता हूँ कि poster यही हो, but I want to change the text because मैंने एक और poster लगाना है with the same theme. What I can do is मैं text आके change कर लूँ and I can like बाकी सब हुआ होगा, logo भी लगा होगा, सब कुछ होगा. I can just change the text and just I can like post it out. So this is the concept of layering. All right, we had another question. So the healing brush is for copying objects? No, essentially it's not for copying objects. उसके लिए clone stem tool होता है और content away tool होता है. But healing is for something just like I said कि जिस समय retouching कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे भी करूँगा. That is why the healing brush is used basically. Acha, can you bring the man in the previous picture in some other picture? Yes, we can use that. And what if you have to copy the same picture 2-3 times? Okay, the copy वाला scene है ना, I just like जिस तरह से मैंने अभी बताया था, I'll give you another example. Okay. So we have this picture person, right? और हम क्विक सिलेक्शन टूल यूज करेंगे. So now we have this person selected. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create layer via cut. यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड रिमूव हो गया एंड इफ आई वांट तो मैंने ये भी रिमूव कर दिया. जस्ट लाइक स्पेस राइट देयर. अब मैं सिलेक्शन टूल यूज करके या हीलिंग यूज करके ये वाली जो चीजें ये भी मैंने रिमूव कर सकता हूँ. So he said कि what if we want to copy the same version 2-3 times in the same picture? वो भी हम कर सकते हैं. We're just gonna go back to this layer and we're gonna duplicate this layer. Duplicate करके I can even like मैं छोटा करके I can like use it multiple times. Just like that. So we have a lot of people. और अगर इसी this selection, this person, I want to use it into another picture. उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगा? I'm going to convert it into a smart object. जिस तरह मैंने वो logo का बताया था ना, whenever you like importing pictures and you want to use your logo or something like that, जिसको हमने छोटा मोटा करना है size में, then you have to like place it perfectly so you can use it as smart object because वो load करके भेजता है. Just like that, layer को मैंने load किया and I want to paste it somewhere here. तो मैंने इसको लाके यहाँ paste कर दिया. So I have a person here. just like that. This is how you can do it. All right. If you guys have any other questions, तो आप लोग साथ साथ पूछते रहो. All right. So we were in the retouching. यहाँ पे what we can do is we can again we have this background image. Essentially what its advice is कि आप जब भी काम करे हो layers में तो background layer copy कर लो. Why? Because अगर आप background में कुछ changes कर लेते हो और बाद में आप आना चाहते हो तो background is the first layer और उससे पीछे कोई लेयर है नहीं, तो अगर आपने बैकग्राउंड पे कुछ चेंजेस कर दिए, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने कोई एडजस्टमेंट्स कर दिए, तो वो रिवर्स नहीं हो सकेंगे. और अगर आपने कोई ब्रश इस्तेमाल कर लिए तो वो भी नहीं हो सकता, लाइक इफ यू आर फार डाउन द रोड. Let's say we want to do some adjustments as well, but first we want to remove these things. So what we can do is we're gonna go to the spot healing tool, and this is what we're gonna do. So whatever it is, we can just as easily remove that. And again, this all comes to practice. You have to keep practicing again and again to really be, fluent in this. So this is how you do. Now, if okay. Now, if somebody ever sees this, so they can never know कि यहाँ पे कोई दाने थे या there were some dark circles or there were some pimples, whatever it was, we just healed it down, we removed it, और पता भी नहीं चला. इसको और बेहतर भी कर सकते हैं. We can like improve the skin texture, but that is all very advanced. That does not come in the basics. Can we exchange the size of the man or it will remain exactly? Yes, we can change the size. How we can change the size is basically so we had this person here. हमने इसको स्मार्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में किया हुआ था. वी गोना गो टू दी एडिट वाला जो टैब है एंड देन वी गोना गो टू फ्री ट्रांसफॉर्म. वहां पे जाके we can change the size, we can change whatever we want about the person, like we can जितना मर्जी छोटा या बड़ा करना चाहें we can do that. But it's good when you do it. You can do it basically, but you can do it's best if you do it after converting into a smart object, basically. When it's loaded. This is how you can do it. All right. So Arish Mushtaq asked watermarks. Can you like please explain your question because I can't understand. What about watermarks? All right. So we have this person here. हमने वो सारा कुछ remove कर दिया. And अब हम इस पे कुछ adjustments करेंगे. We want to we can increase the brightness, contrast, colors, everything. So let's do that. So this is the adjustments tab. ये सब कुछ आपको window वाली tab से you can like select all of that and you can like keep it there. So यहाँ पे जाके you want to change the contrast a bit, lower down the brightness a bit so it looks eye pleasing. And this is basically how you do adjustments. Let's go to vibrance. So basically saturation भी मैं ज़्यादा कम कर सकता हूँ. I can like make it black and white. Any picture I can like okay. So how do we convert anything into a smart object? So Eamon asked, how do we convert anything into a smart object? So let's say we had this picture और यहाँ पे we have a layer. We selected, हमने quick selection की, we have a layer now. So this is how you convert it into a smart object. And then you can like move it along, कहीं भी लेके जाना है, you can like just pick it up and paste it there. How to how to insert them behind an image? Watermarks. All right. So for that, let's go back to this. और यहाँ पे let's add the logo. So I have this logo, and let's say for any reason I want कि जो logo है, ये जो गमला है plant उसके पीछे चला जाए, तो वो भी मैं कर सकता हूँ. How can I do that? Basically, उसके लिए I'll just select the गमला पहले. अगर मैंने पिक्चर के पीछे भेजना है, तो वो नजर ही नहीं आएगा. Just like that. If you have to insert it behind an image. But let's say मैंने ग्रीन इस लाइफ के पीछे भेजना है या मैंने गमले के सिलेक्टेड करके मैंने उसको भी लेयर बना दिया है तो फिर मैं उसके पीछे भी भेज सकता हूँ. जस्ट लाइक आई हैव दिस लेयर तो मैंने लेयर के पीछे भेज दिया एंड आई कैन ब्रिंग इट up as well. This is how you can like चीज को आप, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लेयरिंग अगेन। आप कोई भी चीज लेयर बना के, जस्ट लाइक आई हैव दिस प्लांट हेयर, और मैं इसको भी पूरे लेयर बना के आई कैन सेलेक्ट इट ऑल अप, सेलेक्ट करके let's say I have this, और मैं इसको लेयर बनाना चाहता हूँ, so what I'm going to do is basically layer via copy. Now I have another layer. अब अगर मैं आइजैक को चाहता हूँ कि मैं उसके पीछे ले जाऊं, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, आई कैन बेसिकली डू दिस, दिस इज हाउ आई डू इट. So you can like take watermarks, you can put it behind the picture, you can put it above the picture, you can do anything with that. How to remove the watermarks? Let's say we had a picture जहाँ पे we had a logo. Actually, that is something I wouldn't ever recommend you do that, because people mostly do that on photos, so they have copyrights and stuff like that. But let's say you have an old photo and you want to do it. So let's say it was something like this. Okay, let's paste it here, and I want to remove that. And now I have a JPEG image जहाँ पे ये layers तो है नहीं. So what I can basically do is, um, actually let's do that. What I'm going to do is save as JPEG. अच्छा, अब whenever you're saving something, ना, that was the point, कि whenever you have to save Photoshop picture, so how can you save that? You can save it through this save as करके. You can go to all the formats that you want to save. अगर आपने कोई logo save करना है जिसका background remove हुआ हो, तो you can save it as PNG, but normally you can save it as JPEG. So let's say we save that picture and now we just want to open it up. Now we have a JPEG picture. We don't have the layers, तो फिर हम लोगों को कैसे remove कर सकते हैं? This is how we can remove it. But this is something that comes with practice. You have to practice a lot, a lot, a lot. Layer में जाके you have to start healing it up. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके you have to go up, up, up. Like it takes time, it takes a lot of practice, and this is basically how you remove everything. Because again, this is AI, right? Artificial intelligence. You have to like थोड़ा थोड़ा select करके you have to move up, move up, move up. When you clear the stage, so then you can like remove all of this at once. How you can do that? You can select the brush tool, select the background, and just do this. If you have a logo जो एक background पे pasted है, and it's not as complicated as this, so it's very easy. Just like select the brush tool, आप उससे color को background वाला color select करो, and just like paste it all about it. But this is something जो ये leaf के ऊपर है, this is something advanced, and how you can do that basically, वही healing वाला use करके you can go up your work, up till your work, and you can do that. I hope this clears the point. All right. So skin touching, we've also learned, we can make basic adjustments as well. We can make any picture black and white. We can reverse it as well. Adjustments mein jaake, we can change the, anything about the picture, brightness, hue, color, discoloration, anything that you want, you can do that. So these are the basic adjustments. So we've learned all of that. Again, this was the picture jahan I added like 2-3 bits, and nobody can tell that if it actually happened or not. So this is how, these are some of the basics that you can practice with Photoshop. I think this is pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can like ask me up, or I can answer them for you. Photoshop is basically all about practice. So jitna zyada you're gonna practice with every all of these tools with images. That's how you're gonna learn. basically. जो link मैंने आप लोगों को email में भेजा था, that link contains the Photoshop 2020. Okay, can you do the cloning of birds? Sure. So this is how we do it. We can use the clone stem tool as well. We can use the helium brush tool as well. जो हमने वहाँ पे lady वो जो थी Vex वाली wall उसके साथ किया था. We can also do something like this. Quick selection use करके भी. So once you get a hold of all these tools, you can really understand how they work. So let's use this one. So this was the original image. Now what we're gonna do is so we have our bird now. We have selected the bird. Now what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna create a layer out of it. So once we've created a layer, we have another bird, just like that. और इसमें जो चीज रहती है ना, सिंस मैंने अभी यहाँ पे सिलेक्शन टूल में ये चीज जगह छोड़ दी थी, so now this is showing me again. What I can do is I can go back to it again and I can do it over and over and over again. So this is how we do it. Sure thing. Why not? Yes, exactly. Do it yourself again and again. If you guys have any questions, you guys can DM me on my Instagram page, on my blog, Midinally, and you can contact me there. If you guys have any other questions, just ask me up. Thank you so much for appreciating. I hope it was worthy of your guys' time. Also, if there's something that you guys really want to improve, something like soft skills, you guys can message me on that, and we can like do something like on top of that as well. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much for appreciating. If you guys have no other questions, then let's wrap it up. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. It was a really nice evening. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was worthy of your time. I hope you guys learned. Okay, Photoshop isn't working on my system. But I have Adobe Illustrator. Yes, you can use Adobe Illustrator, but that is a very different software. So चीजें Photoshop में you can do, you cannot do half of those things on Illustrator, and same goes with Illustrator. So Photoshop 2020, if you don't have that, I can just send me an email or just DM me on my blog. I'll send you the Photoshop CS6. This is what I'm using right now, and it works on my system. So you can use that. What I'm using right now is Photoshop CS6, not 2020. You can DM me on my blog. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. And let's wrap it up. Allah Hafiz, everyone.